Emma.
What?
Are you awake?
I'm not.
Oh, okay. I have to go to work. Give me a kiss.
No.
Why not?
Because I need you.
It's too early in the morning for this.
It's what I need every morning. It's my fuel.
If I don't work for it, somebody's gonna work harder for it. So I'm on my way to go pick Rem up. We'll see if he's ready.
Where the fuck you been at? What do you mean? I'm drinking coffee. What time did you get to bed? 2, 3? So if we gained an hour a day, like that means we lost an hour of sleep, right?
Bro,
What?
your vape is not more important than my coffee.
Yes, it is. So what are we doing?
So the first thing we're doing today, you guys are probably wondering, what is this piece of paper? This is a flat Stanley. So we had a fan that's out in Ohio. Her son wanted me and Rem to do his flat Stanley project for him, which is pretty much where this guy gets to travel to different places all across the country and learn about other neighborhoods and communities outside of their own state. So we're gonna take some pictures. Oh, they got coffee on him.
You tried to wake him up. He looked tired.
Down the street.
Yep. I'm hitting it. It doesn't look like nothing's happening.
Oh yeah, if you're hitting it, take a picture.
All right. Then I got like 30 pictures.
Oh my god. Jeez. All right, how do I get down from here?
You jumped.
Ooh. Oh. Jeez. All right, perfect. Successful flat Stanley. I wish it was a little bit smaller. Wish he was a baller.
Tell me why I think I had my finger over the camera the whole time.
Oh my god.
I'm just joking.
Hang on, B. I wasn't recording any of that. Let's go back and do it. Gotta get some coffee, bro. Gotta get some coffee.
Was raised a man when I ain't have a dad at home. Strong woman, female version. Not just my only problem. I know that everything ain't what it seems, yeah. I was just a kid with a dream. It's a count.
Die on a motorcycle, cause my arrival is like a typhoon and shoot lightning right from the sky too. That's a problem. Yours and mine design don't align.
Yeah, I was born a living legend. I was born a living legend.
Yo, what if we do that? It's like,
Hey, yeah, I was born a living legend.
and then you take the next line, whatever it is, and then just come back in.
Yeah, I was born a living legend.
But they ain't tell me that the legends always got depression.
Hey, I was born a living legend. I was born to be a legend. Come on, hey, I was born to be a legend.
But they ain't tell me that the legends always got depression.
I was born to be a legend.
So if you're wondering why the prices just got expensive, we had a successful meeting. Hopefully we got some big news coming soon.
Big stuff.
But on to some more shit the next day. Sorry our lives aren't as exciting as it may seem. But it takes months and months of stuff, days like this, to have one successful show. Where you guys see that's the stuff we normally film. But we're recording all the
No,
time.
it was like 10 minutes in. Why are we gonna have 10-minute clips?
To go into the verse.
Yeah.
Like it could be like, cause I'm saying that like, it could be like, hey, I was born a living legend. But they ain't know they ain't tell me that the legends always got depression. Hey, I was born a living legend. So if you're wondering why the price is Let's go. Just added a new song to the album. Let's go.
Should we keep it going though and change the second part of the hook? Hey. Give them a little rundown about where we're going now. What we do after the tour?
So after tour, what we did is we took all the profits that we made from tour, and we wanted to give back to our community. So we opened a men's recovery house, a sober living house for the men in our local community. So we've been running that full time for the past year and a half. It's been absolutely incredible being able to give back to the community, give guys a safe, nice place for them to live at. You know, we're nobody special, we're nobody important, we're just guys in recovery that have pursued our passions and pursued our dreams, and that they're just as capable as any one of us. So we're gonna go there, we're gonna check on these guys.
Yeah, and like you said, we went on tour in October of 2019. The house was opened in November of 2019. But this is the first time you're ever seeing anything about it, because we didn't do it for pats on the back.
Yeah,
the only reason it's in this now is because we have to do a day in the life of, and it's impossible to do a day in our life
without going there.
The house.
Yeah, because we're there every single day. We're there with the guys, we're there talking to them, being there for them, showing them what.
Coffee number 4. Ding!
No? All right. What do you want to be one day? What's your dream? What's the dream?
He's not messing with you.
Yeah.
Be famous.
Famous, like TikTok famous, or
Yeah, anything.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Do you have a TikTok?
Yeah.
I'll follow you right now.
Like, I don't post them. So it's
You don't post? Are you on YouTube?
No.
All right.
All right, so the next time we come through, you're going to have a few posts on your TikTok.
Alright.
Make some posts. You gotta walk through the fear, man. You can do it. All right. Because you can't become famous if you don't make a post, right? The team's called Nobody Special, and like it's about like it doesn't take anybody special or important or crazy to do something amazing. Like regular people accomplish incredible things every day, but you got to be willing to put the work in. You know what I mean? It takes making posts and doing the work and stuff.
Making music is hard. It's not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy at all, man. But you know, it's worth it. It pays off. Like we've been making music probably like 7-8 years, and so like, and in the beginning it didn't pay off. It was like no money. It was we were wasting money, and people honking at me and telling me to get the hell out of the way, you know. But
We're still waiting on the coffee.
on the Charlie, we're still waiting on Charlie. No, I didn't get the Charlie. He got the Charlie in the back. But you know what I mean? Like now we're able to like that's what we do full time. Like that's our job. Is like music with no label, no like management or anything. We do it all ourselves. You know what I mean? It takes a lot of work. I mean, we've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning doing work on a Sunday. You know what I mean? And but it's worth it. You put the work in. Like I had a regular job for the longest time. Then I got off and I worked on my music.
Yeah, to be honest, I've been thinking about quitting here and just like trying to start my own business.
Hell yeah.
Like something.
Start
Do
the
it,
business.
bro.
Look, start the business first. Work at it after work, and then when it makes you enough money where you can quit,
Yeah.
ASAP. Yeah, hell yeah.
All right, man.
Let's go check on it real quick.
What they say, it's going to be ready?
Got like a week and a half. We're gonna have it all done. Good to go. Get her on the road, man.
Check this out. Hold it up, B. Look, once we get her out of here, get her painted, look what we got.
Yeah. That's fucking. Oh. Yo. 2 years, bro? Yo, that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Yo, I'm so fucking proud of you, dude.
You still don't have a shirt on.
Yo, you straight up look like fucking Leonardo DiCaprio in that movie with the bear. Right? What? No, that's fucking awesome.
How much time you got?
8 months today.
Ooh, come on, son. Where's he at? There he is.
Yeah, I'm trying to go for 8 ball too.
Oh, hell
Hello,
yeah.
my
Man.
friend.
How
What's up, man?
did you get to go see her?
Yeah.
Cool. How was it?
It's alright. Yeah.
What you doing, bro?
Yeah, prove you wrong. That's good. I'm glad you got the ball there. I felt bad. I was like, damn. I can't push one thing. Yeah, we were in the meeting until like 4 and we had to do content.
Chronic relapser?
Yeah, I mean that is.
Come on, man, what? Stop playing.
Got that business name?
You gotta make sure we sign releases. DBF Motorsports.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm
Because
talking
it
about.
stands for 2 different things. Done by foot or Donald Barefoot.
There you go.
Hell yeah, that's what's up, bro. That's the LLC?
BBF. Oh, alright, yeah. That's cool. I'll
You
just.
did that shit quick.
Yeah, dude. Killed it. That's what we do for the homies. Yo, that shit looks dope.
Yeah. I like it a lot.
Hell yeah. Garnett, why are you not getting in with this, dude? Light them up. Nah.
Oh, what? Oh, shit. Don't give me a broke ass gun.
That's a real good system. Damn. All right, Rem.
I'm gonna take mommy out.
No, I'm gonna take mommy out.
I'm gonna take mommy out.
This the best date ever, babe. We're doing what you do best. Busting balls. You can go over to Play It Again Sports and get you a nice driver for $25.
Oh my god.
Alright, our date's over. We're gonna go hang out in the church basement for about an hour.
It sounds dirty almost.
No, it don't. We booked. Did we announce it yet? I don't know. I think we did. So May 15th. On May 15th, we're gonna be performing in Connecticut at the Wall Street Theater. May 15th is a very special date because that is the date that we released the Nobody Special album.
I don't know just what I'm doing, man. I just wanna play.
I'm reading the
Focus on my people, pray my problems
Teamwork
go
makes the dream work,
away.
right?
I don't know just what I'm doing, man. I just wanna play. I focus on my people, pray my problems go away.
Thanks for watching my video.
And subscribe to my channel.
And subscribe to my channel. Bye. I'm not done yet.